Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nandi inviting problems in her life, thinking that she is doing a good thing. And that and more is what I want to talk about here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. If there's one thing that we can agree about here on this video, I think that is Nandi looked good on these clothes. This one is really beautiful, and I've been saying it even worse now that she has gained some weight. But then this video is not about that. On this video, I wanted us to talk about this. Now, this is Nandi telling Solomzi that he would like him to be her boyfriend. And ladies, I think we can take notes from this. If you're interested in a guy, don't wait for him to come to you. Just go for him. So Nandi organized a group of girls in the whole Sokulu family. She even asked him to assist her with the planning. So everyone was there watching. And as you can see, Nandi hitting up on Solomzi. And I know that I'm not the only person who thought that Solomzi was going to reject Nandi. I was so sure that he'll maybe feel guilty after what he did with Nolita. And for that reason, maybe he will reject her. But then the good part is that Solomzi decided to take her back, not knowing that Rebecca could plan for their relationship. You know, I don't understand why Rebecca would do that. Why would she want Solomzi and Nandi to break up again? I mean, I'm really lost. So for those who don't know, she made sure that Nandi finds out that Solomzi slept with Nolita, which is obviously going to ruin everything. And now we wait to see what happens, and that will be the next episode. So meanwhile, comment in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.